Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder, the place where we uncover the hidden stories behind the corporate world. And today we're diving into some dividend news that might just make you scratch your heads a little bit. Covenant Logistics Group Inc. is letting us know about their latest dividend declaration. And it is not just a routine announcement. We're going to break down what this really means for the company and its shareholders. You know, sometimes a simple dividend declaration can be a sign of a lot more happening under the surface. Covenant Logistics Group Inc., a company that operates in the logistics sector, has made a move to distribute a quarterly cash dividend. This filing, a Form 8K, is essentially an announcement of a significant event. In this case, the big news is that on the 20th of November 2025, the company's board of directors, their decision-making team, decided to give out 7 cents per share. This is for both their Class A and Class B common stock. Now, this isn't a new program. They've had a plan for quarterly cash dividends that the board had already approved before. So this is just them continuing that plan. The dividend is set to be paid out to shareholders who own the stock on the 5th of December 2025, and the money is expected to land in their accounts on the 26th of December 2025. They've also attached a press release with this report. It is like a formal announcement to the public about this dividend. It is important to remember that while dividends are great news for investors, the company's ability to keep paying them, and for how much, really depends on their financial health and future prospects. This section here is a really important legal disclaimer. It tells us that a lot of what is being said, including the dividend declaration, is considered a forward-looking statement. This means it is based on current expectations and beliefs about the future. But things could change. They're basically saying that the future isn't guaranteed. This is a crucial point. Just because they are declaring a dividend today does not mean they will do it next quarter or the quarter after that. A lot of factors can prevent them from continuing. Think about it. If the company starts having money problems, or if they need all their cash to invest in new trucks or warehouses, or if new laws make paying dividends harder, they might have to stop. They also point to other risks they've talked about in past filings with the Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC). So, what is the story here? This isn't just about a small dividend payment. It is about a company confirming its commitment to returning some value to shareholders. However, they are also being very careful to manage expectations. They are reminding everyone that this is not a guarantee of future payouts. The company is saying, we're paying a dividend now, but don't expect it to continue forever without looking at our performance. Looking at Covenant Logistics Group Inc. as a whole, they are in a business that often relies on economic cycles. When the economy is strong, businesses ship more goods and logistics companies like Covenant do well. When the economy slows down, shipping can decrease. Affecting their revenue, the decision to pay a dividend, even a small one, can be interpreted in a few ways. It could signal confidence from management that they have enough cash flow and expect continued profitability. Or it could be a way to keep investors happy while they navigate potential challenges. It is essential to look at their broader financial health, not just this dividend announcement. Companies that constantly increase their dividends usually have very stable and growing earnings. A small, consistent dividend might be a sign of maturity and a desire to reward shareholders without overcommitting. In my opinion, Covenant Logistics Group is playing it safe and smart with this announcement. They are providing a shareholder reward while acknowledging the inherent volatility of their business. The key takeaway for investors is to understand that this dividend is not a bedrock guarantee. Instead, it's a signal to keep a close eye on their financial reports and the broader economic landscape that impacts their operations. The risks are real, and the company is right to highlight them. Alright, that is our breakdown of Covenant Logistics Group's latest dividend news. What is your take on these numbers and what they signal for the company's future? Drop your thoughts in the comments. If this analysis was valuable, hitting that like button really helps, and subscribe for more deep dives. Don't forget to check out the Discord in the description. Thanks for watching, see you next time.